Hello, my name is Anna Buczkowska and I am privileged.
Porozmawiamy o przyszłości energetycznej naszego kraju i
Zanim przedstawię twórców i organizatorów,
We know how much work it takes to prepare for a conference. Working overtime till late hours, hundreds of emails sent, phone calls on the weekend, pushing deadlines, and everything ASAP. You want to achieve success. Do you care about quality, not cliché solutions? We will be happy to help you and create with you your conference.
Proszę wpuścić make-up na plan.
Uwaga, dwójka, wchodzisz. Jeden, dociśnij bardziej. Jeszcze trochę, jeszcze trochę.
We will provide TV quality equipment. An experienced team will take care of the proper execution of the realization. Safety of transmission and your comfort are important to us. The work of a makeup artist and stylist will make your look perfect. It will bring self-confidence. You will look and feel like a professional TV presenter. Discreet in-ear monitor will help you keep in touch with the director, publisher, and producer. It will allow them to give you a helping hand even if you are standing in front of the camera.
Kończy nam się już muzyka i zaraz wchodzimy. 3, 2, 1, kamera numer 3.
o ekologicznych i energetycznych wyzwaniach, jakie stoją przed nami wszystkimi, przed naszym krajem na dzisiejszej konferencji.
You also have a professional prompter with service at your disposal.
Pani Zosiu, proszę wrzucić pierwszy akapit z tekstu na prompter. Uwaga.
Your message must be given in a clear way. Its effectiveness depends on it. You certainly have a vision of the whole project. Therefore, we will take care of its realization. Together, we will reach the goal. Let's focus on your vision. Strip Studio.